In this question, we have to find IUPAC name of given compound. Now, this molecule is having more than 2 carbon containing function group which are directly attached through main chain. And if more than 2 carbon containing function groups are attached, then their carbon is not included in main chain. So now main chain is of 3 carbon. At second position, OH is present. For OH, prefix hydroxy is used. So name of molecule is 2-hydroxy. Now 3 carbon in main chain, so propane 1, 2, 3, tri. Now instead of using oic acid for COOH, now we use carboxylic acid to tricarboxylic acid, and hence correct answer is B. In this question, we have to find correct IUPAC name of the given compound. In the question, OH is principal function group. So according to lowest set of locant rule, we have to start numbering from that end, from which OH group is nearer. So from left hand side, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now bromo is present at 6th position, 2 bromo presents at 6th position. So 6 dibromo, total 7 carbon atoms are present. So heptane 2 all, and hence option A is correct. In this question, we have to find correct IUPAC name of the given compound. Now COOH group is present, which is principal function group, and if carbon containing principal function groups are present, then we have to start naming from this carbon. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now methyl is present at 3rd position, hence name of the molecule is 3-methyl. Now total 4 carbon atoms are present in main chain, so bute at 3rd position, double bond is present, so bute 3-ene. Now for COOH, suffix oic acid is used, so bute 3-enoic acid, and hence correct option is A. In this question, we have to find correct IUPAC name of the compound. So now this molecule is having function group both acid, chloride and ketone, but in priority table, acid chloride is having higher priority over ketone. So numbering should be done from acid chloride end. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 carbon atoms are present in main chain. Now at 4th position, keto or oxo group is present. Both terms can be used for ketone, keto or oxo. So 4 keto or 4 oxo, total 5 carbon atoms are present. So pentane. For COCl, suffix oil chloride is used, so pentanoyl chloride, 4 oxo or 4 keto pentanoyl chloride. So option C is correct. In this question, we have to find IUPAC name of the given compound. So first we have to identify function group. So now the function group anhydride is present, and total 3 carbon atoms are present in main chain. Now this anhydride is formed by propanoic acid. So during the writing name of anhydride, we have to write name of acid from which it is prepared. So it is acid of propanoic acid. Now remove term acid and add anhydride. So name of anhydride is propanoic anhydride. If both acids are same, then you have to write name of the only one. If there are 2 different acids, then we have to write name of both acid. In this question, we have to find correct IUPAC name of given structure. So first we have to select principal chain. So principal chain should have both multiple bond and function group. So this is principal chain. Now numbering has to be done from that end from which function group is present, function group is nearer. So if we start numbering from this carbon, now function group is present at 3rd position. If we start numbering from right direction, now again principal function group is present at 3rd position. So now we have to check position of multiple bond. So from right side, multiple bond is present at first position. So in this question, numbering has to be done from right direction. So total 5 carbon atoms are present at main chain. At carbon number 3 and 4, methyl substituent is present. So name of molecule is 3,4-dimethyl. At first position, multiple bond is present, total 5 carbon main chain. So pent 1 ene 3 all. Now E and O both are present, so we have to remove E. So 3,4-dimethyl pent 1 ene 3 all, and hence correct answer is A. In this question, we have to find which of the following are correct name for the given compound. So for this molecule, more than 2 functional groups are directly attached through main chain, and if 2 or more than 2 carbon containing functional group are directly attached through main chain, then their carbon is not included in main chain. So now 1, 2, 3 carbon are present in main chain, and hence name of the molecule is propane 1, 2, 3 tri. Now instead of aldehyde, we use carbaldehyde suffix for aldehyde. So propane 1, 2, 3 tri carbaldehyde, and hence option D is correct. In this question, we have to write IUPAC name of the given compound. So first we have to identify principal function group. Now molecule is having COOH, NH2 and ketone. But according to priority order, COOH is present at top. So COOH is principal function group, and we have to start numbering from carbon of COOH. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 carbon atoms are present in principal chain. Now this amino, oxo and ethyl substituents are present. Now name of these substituent must be written according to alphabetical order. So first we have to write amino, which is present at second position. So name of molecule is 2-amino. Then ethyl, 2-ethyl. At fourth position, ketone is present. So we can use oxo or keto both. So 4-oxo either can be used. So 4-oxo. Total 5 carbon. So pentanoic acid, and hence correct answer is D. The IUPAC name of the given compound. So first we have to find principal function group. So now COOH and NH2 function groups are present. COOH is principal function group. So now we have to select principal chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 carbon atoms are present in principal chain. At third position, amino group is present. At fifth position, multiple bond is present. So name of molecule is 3-amino. Total 7 carbon atoms are present. So hept. At fifth position, double bond is present. So hept 5-ene. At first position, oic acid is present. So enoic acid, and hence correct option is A. The correct IUPAC name of the given compound. So first we have to find principal function group. Now acid, chloride and ketone both function group are present in this molecule, but COCl is having higher priority over ketone. So this is given first carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 carbon atoms are present in main chain. So at fourth position, ketone function group is present, for which we can use oxo or keto. So name of molecule is 4-oxo. Total 5 carbon atoms are present. So pentanoyl chloride, and this is given in option C. Hence correct answer is C. In this question, we have to find name of given IUPAC compound. First off, we have to find principal function group. Now, molecule is having amide function group and ketone function group, while CH2Br is substituent. Now, from ketone and amide, ketone is having higher priority, hence numbering should be start from amide. So main chain is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 carbon. Now at second carbon, bromomethyl is present. So name of molecule is 2-bromomethyl. At third position, keto or oxo is present. So 3-oxo. Total 6 carbons atoms are present in main chain. So hexenamide, and hence correct answer is A. The correct name of given compound. So in this molecule, aldehyde and OH both function group are present, but aldehyde is having higher priority over OH. So numbering should be start from aldehyde. So main chain is having 5, 6 carbon. At second position, bromo is present, and fifth position, hydroxy is present. But according to alphabetical order, bromo should be written before hydroxy. So name of molecule is 2-bromo, 5-hydroxy. Now total 6 carbon atoms are present in main chain, hence hexane, and for aldehyde suffix al is used, so hexanal, and hence correct answer is A. In this question, we have to find correct IUPAC name of the given compound. So first we have to identify functional group, principal function group. Now in this molecule, aldehyde is present as principal function group. Now we have to select longest chain with maximum number of multiple bond. So if we take 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 here, then we get 5 carbon. But if we select with triple bond, now we are getting 7 carbon in main chain. So this is longest chain. At third position, vinyl or ethinyl group is present. This group is known as both vinyl. We can write both name, vinyl or ethinyl, whatever given in option. So here at third position, ethinyl is given. So 3-ethinyl or 3-vinyl, total 7 carbon atoms are present. So hept. At position 2, double bond is present. So hept 2-ene. At 6th position, ion is present. So 6-ine. And at first carbon, aldehyde is present. So al. During name of ene and ine, ene is written first according to alphabetical order. So correct answer is C, 3-vinyl, 2-heptene, 6-ine, al. The correct IUPAC name of the given compound. So first we have to find principal function group. Now aldehyde and acid both are present, but according to priority order, acid is having higher priority over aldehyde. So carbon of acid group is given first carbon. Now we have to select main chain. Now main chain is having 4 carbon. If any carbon containing function group is present as substituent, then normally its carbon is not included in main chain. But if it is aldehyde, then we can include its carbon in main chain. So now main chain is of 4 carbon. Now at third position, formyl is present, and if aldehyde, carbon of aldehyde is included in main chain, now its name is written as oxo. So oxo and formyl. So according to alphabetical order, formyl is written first. So name of molecule 3-formyl. At fourth position, oxo is present. So 4-oxo. Total 4 carbon in main chain. So butanoic acid, and hence correct answer is B. In this question, we have to find IUPAC name of the given structure. Now this molecule is having COOH function group NH2 and aldehyde function group. Now according to priority table, COOH is having higher priority than aldehyde and amine. So COOH is principal function group. Now carbon of principal function group must be included in main chain. So now main chain is having total 4 carbon. Now numbering should be done from that end, where according to alphabetical order substituent presents are nearer. So if we start numbering from this COOH, now amino is present at second position and formyl is present at third position. Now amino and formyl both are substituent, and priority of substituent is decided according to their alphabetical order. Hence amino is having higher priority than formyl. So name of the molecule is 2-amino, now 3-formyl, total 4 carbon in main chain. So butane at 1 and 4 oic acid is present. So butane 1,4-dioic acid, and hence correct answer is C. The IUPAC name of the compound. So in this molecule, COOH function group is present, principal function group. Now, if more than 2 carbon containing function group are directly attached to ring, then their carbon is not included in main chain. So now in this case, main chain is of 3 carbon. So 1, 2 and 3. At second position, substituent hydroxy is present. So name of the molecule is 2-hydroxy. Now 3 carbon in main chain. So propane. Now at first, second and third position, COOH is present, and carbon of COOH is not included in main chain. So now instead of using oic acid, we use carboxylic acid. So propane 1,2,3 tri-carboxylic acid, and hence correct answer is B.